What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is our first ride of 2025 and it's so cold. It's 30 something degrees out right now. As you can see, we got snow up in the mountains. And as winter goes, man, the rides are definitely shorter. So in this video, I'm going to take you guys on a ride down to an old building that I saw when I first moved to Utah and didn't know what the heck it was. At first I kind of thought it was maybe some type of, I don't know, church or palace or something like that. And then I later did some research on this place because they'd have different venues like raves and shows at it or whatever, and I was just kind of wondering, it looked old, I want to know what it was. Well, just like Utah, man, Utah has so much history here. This place was like an old, they try to make it like a crazy old like resort. Yeah, the place just kept burning down and having floods and different issues throughout the years. So now it just kind of like an event venue, but it's in a cool spot, just on the south side of the lake. Definitely a cool place to ride to and chill, get some sunset shots, and yeah, so I figured I'd take you guys with me and we'll go check it out. So I'll see you when we get there. Alright, it's just there, if you guys can see, straight out there, right on the edge of the big lake that looks like the ocean. Man, but it is brisk outside, so I pulled up my phone weather just so you guys can see. It's 35 degrees right now, and as soon as that sun drops, it's going to be 31 freezing. Woo! Welcome to winter in Utah. But it's definitely nice getting out on the bike today because it has been freaking a little bit snowy and just cold and gloomy lately, and today was amazing because it's so clear, and it's cold but it's clear and beautiful. And those clear days right after the snow, man, the visibility out here is so great. No smog, no nothing. Check that out. Look how cool that looks, the Garfield smokestack. So in my job, air traffic control, that's actually a reporting point for VFR aircraft, or aircraft that are flying under visual flight rules. Just a little gee whiz for you guys, because the international airport is actually that way. Salt Lake International Airport and Salt Lake City itself is directly east from where we're going to be here in just a second, as we pass over Interstate 80. Not a bad little winter ride with a cool view. Blinkers, where it comes. What a weirdo. Let's do it. You guys get the point. Cool little spot to kick it, but it's fucking cold. It's like 30 degrees right now, man. My fingers are absolutely numb. My bike is not enjoying it being this cold. Whew. Alright. What a great little ride to kick off the new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for riding with me. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to comment down below. And if you like what you see and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Anyways, thank you for watching HEC Jeremy Rides, and we'll see you on the next one.